Hey y'all, we just got our first snow of 2024, and when I tell you your girl is up in the house staying warm and keeping warm, and one of the ways I'm keeping warm is by making soups. Today I'm going to show you how to make this tomato soup. You just need some tomatoes, onions, garlic, basil, olive oil. You see me using an olive oil spray, but baby, use the olive oil if you have it. It works better. You're just gonna coat those veggies with some olive oil, seasoning them with salt, black pepper, and Italian seasoning. Then we're gonna pop them in the oven on 350 for about an hour and 25 minutes. Once they come out, they are going to look like this. We're gonna throw them in our blender. If you've got an immersion blender, you can just mix your soup in that pot, okay? But I don't have an immersion blender, so I'm putting all my stuff in my Ninja, and we're gonna mix it up and blend it up really well. Then I'm gonna put it back on the stove, okay? Put it back on the stove, add a little bit of salt, some heavy whipping cream, about a half a cup of the heavy whipping cream. Depending on your tomatoes, you may or may not need sugar. Mine were very acidy, so I added about 2 tablespoons of sugar, and that's it, y'all. I served this with a grilled cheese, which I use pepper jack cheese, and baby, the sweetness of the tomato soup and the spiciness of that pepper jack cheese, oh my gosh, they just paired so well. So I am happy, I am snowed in, and I am full. I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.